Hello everybody! In this video, you will learn the secret of how to use graphic methods that allow you to significantly improve your life. It is amazing how a simple graphic drawing can change the world completely. The scientists have not confirmed the connection between mental activity and fine hand motor skills. The philosopher Immanuel Kant also said that the hand is a visible part of our brain. So our hand is a continuation of our speech and thinking. Today, I will show you a very important element of Neurographica, the Neurographica Line. Please prepare 2 or 3 sheets of paper, colored felt tip pens, and we begin.
The neurographical line is a unique line. It is mobile, bionic, and resembles nature itself. The contours of clouds, the outlines of mountains, may be a view from above of a flowing river, or cracks in the ground. This is the neurographical line. Each person has its own pattern. And now, try to draw a line that goes completely involuntarily, like the line of nature. The neurographical line has basic rules. The first rule is that the line is not similar to itself in any sections of the movement. If we divide the lines that have turned out into small segments, they will not repeat. Each segment will be unique. We are used to moving along the same scenario. This means that we have a formed contour, we have a formed route. You can feel it if you close your eyes. Please close your eyes now and try imagine your standard way from home to the store. Do it right now and try to imagine yourself walking out, opening the door, closing the door, maybe going down the stairs. Which way you go now? Which turns you make, how you get to your store. And when you imagine, at this moment, the existing neural connections are activated. And now what is happening is called stereotypical thinking. And this is exactly what happens in solving line problems. We solve them in approximately the same way, no matter how different our tasks are. And the neurographical line is a new way to solve the problem. We are forging a new way of thinking. It is a new route, a new scenario, a new way of thinking in and out of a situation. This is the basis for creating a new neural circuit. Now, I want to offer you a cloud exercise to practice how it is to lead a neurographical line. You can take any picture, any photo with clouds, take a marker and try to trace the clouds. You can go from left or from right. And the pattern for training may not necessarily be a pattern of clouds. It may be a relief of mountains, or view from above of a river, or some kind of ripples of a river, or photograph of a stream or desert cracks. Don't be afraid to be creative. Let your line go in a direction you didn't expect. The lines may intersect. If you don't have such photo, you can continue to train these lines using a sheet of paper. Please note that it is undesirable to put your wrist on the table. Let your hand, as it were, drawing the line on its own. Excellent, well done. And the neurographical line has another very important property, a very important feature. Please take another sheet of paper. We are leading our line to the direction where we don't expect to be. For example, If you are leading a line and you feel that the hand will now go up here, please change the trajectory of the path a little and change the angle. Let your line go a little in the wrong direction, but turn it in unexpected directions. The line can go up and go down. Try to swing this line a little. When such build-up of the line occurs, the brain begins to understand that something unusual is happening. It turns on, and we are consciously laying a new route. In this way, we rarely pave a new route of our thinking, because everything that habitually led you to where you are now no longer suits you. And the route you followed was not very effective, which means you need to lay a new route and create new neural connections. How does it happen at the level of neural networks? Close your eyes now and imagine that you have changed the route of the way from home to the store. Mentally make new turns. Get off the usual routes on your street, and you will feel that it is not easy as going the same way. My friends, I have a task for you. Practice running the Neurographica Line. Print clouds or other similar images, and in future we will draw beautiful neurographic drawings based on the lines that we received today. I wish you successfully solve your problems, easy and creative. Thank you.